We have several pieces made, and when I was going back and forth, it reminded me of something I probably should do a video on, and that is when you oil these pieces, the oil finish is not the same as like a polyurethane or an acrylic resin where it's coating the full outside and water on it is not going to affect it right away. With the oil pieces, you don't want to carry these outside and get droplets on them. If you do, just wipe them off. Don't let the droplets sit on them. And with fresh wood, you don't want droplets getting on there too much either. A little, here and there, a little bit. But, 4 or 5 isn't going to do it. But if you sprinkled this thing, that would not be good. Because what it's going to do, it's going to start swelling and start lifting the grain. And you're not going to have your finish. The wood's not going to be as dry. And you're going to have to re-sand. But once you oil them, it will withstand droplets. But you really don't want to leave them on it. So if I was to carry these in when it was raining, which I probably would not do because I really wouldn't want to take that chance, because then you got to wipe everything down. So it's better off wait until it quits raining and then carry them in. So try to keep the water off your pieces if it is raining out. Retest them later. Because what I had to do is take them in, make sure my holes were correct, and before I drilled them, I measured some of them inside on the stairs. So just a warning, with the oiled stuff, it's not the same as a polyurethane or an acrylic resin. So if you need that high water resistant, then you want to switch to one of those, or even a tung oil with multiple coats would do better. And I could do that. I could do a tung oil on top of this, but for the spiral stairs, it's really not necessary.